Have you ever noticed how the simple act of paying attention to something seems to make it more real? Science calls this the observer effect, but mystics have known it for centuries. Where you place your awareness, reality begins to crystallize. In today's video, we're going to explore how observation itself is a creative force. We'll look at the quantum science behind it, the spiritual wisdom that aligns with it, and most importantly, how you can apply this understanding in your own life. Because the truth is simple. You are not just living in reality. You're shaping it. Every time you choose where you look. In quantum physics, experiments show that particles exist in a field of probability until observed. When measured, the wave collapses into a definite form. In other words, the universe waits for an observer before deciding how to behave. Mystics echo this truth in different language. Consciousness creates reality. Whether through meditation, prayer, or awareness, observation is not passive. It is participation in creation. Every time you give your attention to something, you feed it energy. Think about worry. The more you dwell on it, the more it expands in your life. The same is true for gratitude. When you focus on what you appreciate, you'll find more reasons to be grateful. Reality reflects not just what exists, but what you're looking at. Your focus is the steering wheel of your reality. There's the outer play of life, events, people, circumstances, and then there's the inner observer. This inner witness is untouched by chaos, drama, or noise. When you return to this observer state, you gain freedom. Instead of reacting blindly, you see. And in that moment of awareness, you choose how reality unfolds for you. You don't need a physics lab to test the observer effect. You can practice it in daily life. Notice what you habitually pay attention to. Experiment by shifting your gaze. Instead of problems, look at possibilities. When a challenge arises, pause, breathe, and observe without judgment. This alone shifts the field. Over time, you'll notice that reality bends in the direction of your focus, like a lens bringing a blurry image into clarity. Here's the key. You are not merely the character in the story. You are the one watching, the one who chooses where to shine the light of awareness. And where you look, reality forms. The observer effect is not just a scientific curiosity. It is the living truth of your existence. Where you direct your awareness, life takes shape. So ask yourself, what are you looking at? What story are you feeding? Remember, you are not a passive spectator. You are the observer, and that makes you the creator. If this video helped you to see yourself and reality more clearly, give it a like. Drop a comment with your own experiences of the observer effect, and subscribe for more. And if you'd like to support this channel directly, you can do so at buymeacoffee.com/magnumopus333, or you can grab some merchandise in my Teespring store. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.